tea. The milkman, the paper boy, evening TV. Did I get delivered here? Somebody tell me please. This whole world's confusing me. Clouds as mean as you've ever seen. Ain't a bird who knows your tune.
Hey, Jay.
Hey, Leilah.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Alright, guys. It's May 15th, and it's time for
Taylor News Today.
The senior episode.
It's been a great year, hasn't it?
It really has.
What's the first high school memory you guys have?
Besides wearing a mask?
My mom actually made me come in first imagine.
Dude, my mom too.
Do you guys remember when you used to eat lunch?
I do. Let's go check it out though.
Get ready, Taylors, for our second annual Soka Senior Today at lunch,
You will get to soak this year's prom court
as well as the courts from homecoming.
and winter formal,
$5 will get you 2 buckets.
and $3 will get you 1 bucket.
Here's a list of all those participating.
This is it, guys.
This is where the magic happens?
I can't believe how fast time is moving. Like prom's this Friday.
Does anyone know if we can still buy tickets?
I think you can still buy them up to like Friday at lunch.
Unless they sell out.
Are they sold out?
It's getting close.
You better buy a ticket.
Good morning, it is Ponders, and this is Paulina's Last Ponder. Let's get it. What is your favorite memory from the 4 years that you've been here?
Probably cheering at football games.
I'd have to agree.
My favorite memory is probably just having Mr. N's class.
Yeah, mine would be Mr. N's too, Miss Gray's.
Probably meeting you and Amy.
Hanging out in Miss Garcia's.
I met like a bunch of new people, and that's like been one of the best things. I'll be playing sports. Football was my favorite year, my sophomore year.
Being on the soccer team.
I made a bunch of new friends, and now I love them with all my heart, and I'm gonna remember them forever.
The day I met Emilio.
You know what? The day I met Andy.
Being on prom court.
I say all the dances and going to dinners with my friends.
Playing basketball, definitely.
Probably just playing baseball.
Making it to the 4th round of CIF our sophomore year.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with that.
Playing sports with my friends. Playing baseball and the football games.
I think the football games and our dance events.
I'd say the football games.
Oh my god, the football games. Oh, I love those so much.
The Foothill football game this year.
Jaiden, out of the 4 years that you've been here, what is your favorite memory?
It was a long time coming, but I think beating Foothill in our rivalry football game, best memory, 100%.
What are you guys doing?
Just reliving some old memories.
Do you guys know what the Hello Goodbye assembly is?
Next Wednesday.
Next Wednesday.
What's the hell of Goodbye assembly?
This assembly is one of those special things that's only at Tustin High.
Every senior gets to bring one flower for a teacher, staff member, or coach.
I'm definitely gonna bring more. I have too many people to celebrate.
Me too.
Isn't that the day after finals though? Yeah, just meet at the old gym at 9. Sweet.
Attention seniors.
If you qualified for the State Seal of Biliteracy, you should have received an invitation to the ceremony from your English teacher.
The ceremony is today, Wednesday, May 15th during lunch in the cafeteria.
Remember, your lunch will be ready for you in the cafeteria.
So no need to go get lunch first.
Just head straight to the cafeteria after 4th period.
Seniors, please make sure that you order your final official transcript.
See Mrs. Garcia in the center office by the attendants to pick up the request form.
You may also request it via parchment.
The link can be found under our school website under counseling.
The deadline is May 23rd.
Final transcripts will be made after June 10th, 2024.
Insecure in her skin, like a puppet, a girl on a string. Broke away, learned to fly. If you want her back, gotta let her shine. So it looks like
Guys, we should shout out some teachers. I'll go first. Coach Steph and Miss Garcia.
My turn, Mr. Hernandez.
Mr. Seals.
Coach Boss.
Miss Portier for sure.
Coach Joey for sure.
Mr. Miguel.
Mr. N.
Any returning players or new girls interested in trying out for the flag football team? There will be an informational meeting next Thursday, May 16th in Coach Chout's room 706 during lunch. Information for summer camp and tryouts will be the main topics of the meeting.
The THS prom shop is still open.
It's for anyone who needs clothes, shoes, or accessories for prom or graduation.
All items are free.
Stop by the community center during snack or lunch to check it out.
Alright guys, we shouldn't get feeling this about this place.
What up, say the basketball team and Coach Boss?
Probably playing 13 to Miss Miguel's class.
Probably playing volleyball with my friends.
I'm gonna miss the rivalry game.
I'm gonna miss the tournaments for wrestling. I'm gonna miss spring football.
I'm gonna miss competition season.
Izzy, in April we had 212 students with perfect attendance.
Awesome job to everyone for staying strong and attendant.
Even as we get near the end of the school year.
Congratulations to the following students who were randomly picked to receive the following prizes.
Congratulations to all of our winners.
Please pick up your prizes at the attendance office window.
I stuck by you. You're a sunflower. I think your love would be too much.
Hey. The feelings that I got for you is true. So baby, let me cater to you. We found love in 772. She straight up out of 772.
We have a 211 robbery in progress off 4th and Madison. Detective Skies, are you in the area and available for pursuit?
That's a negative. I'm on my break. Hey, 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 get in my way and try to block me, I'ma show aggression. Slide on your block like Danny Glover with a lethal weapon.
That's all for the class of 2024, Tillers. Be respectful, be engaged,
And be determined.
Go Big Red!
Everywhere.
different when a stranger's always waiting at your door. Which is ironic, cause the stranger seemed to want me more than anyone before. Too bad they're usually deranged. Last week I realized I crave pity when I retell the story. I make everything sound worse. I can't shake the feeling that I'm just bad at healing. And maybe that's the reason every sentence sounds rehearsed. Which is ironic, because when I wasn't honest, I was still being ignored. Now we're estranged. Things I once enjoyed just keep me employed now. Things I'm longing for, someday I'll be bored of. It's so that we care so much until we don't. I'm getting older, I've got more on my shoulders, but I'm getting better at admitting when I'm wrong. I'm happier than ever, at least that's my endeavor, to keep myself together and prioritize my pleasure. Cause to be honest, I just wish that what I promised would depend on what I'm given. Wasn't my decision to be abused. Things I once enjoyed just keep me employed now. Things I'm longing for, someday I'll be bored of. It's so weird that we care so much until we don't. But next week I hope I'm somewhere laughing for anybody asking. I promise I'll be fine. I've had some trauma, did things I didn't wanna, was too afraid to tell ya, but now I think it's time.